Hello, good morning, student. So today we are going to learn about the journal, how to make the column of journal. Okay, so this is the table, otherwise we can call it the column of journal. Hmm. So journal entries one inside, right? So what we need to write on? We need to write on the date. Okay, we need to write on the date. We need to write on the particulars. So particulars means what I'm going to discuss you. So LF, okay, laser folio. We are going to write down. So we are going to write on the debit rupees, credit rupees. Okay, so in this way we are going to write down. So date means suppose I have purchased one eraser. Okay, so at what date I have purchased? Today is 22nd. So I will write on 22nd of Aswin. Okay, 22nd of Aswin. If I purchase tomorrow, then 23rd of Aswin. Okay, that way I'll write on the date. So suppose if I'm going to purchase the eraser, that means so what is debit and what is credit, that you need to know. Okay, so just in a simple sense you can say like this. So if something is coming in, okay, so if something is coming in, then that is debit, dr. Okay, so something is going out, then that is credit. Okay, credit. So in, debit, out, credit. So if you have purchased the eraser, okay, eraser किन्यो भने तिमीहरुले, so what is coming in? Eraser is coming in. So what you write down? So you write down eraser account. Okay, so you are going to write down eraser account dot dr. Okay, I'll explain you afterwards also. So eraser account a slash c. Okay, let me write down. So how you are going to write down? Adapoti lesson only. Eraser. This is the short form of account. Eraser account. And you write down the dot and write down dr. Dr. Okay. Then after that, so what is going out? If you are buying eraser, then what you are doing it? You are going to give something to them. What is that? Okay, so what is going out from you? So money is going out from you. So money like cash. Okay, so cash account. Cash account. So cr लेख्नु पर्दैन. Just those which are in debit, so write down that only in debit side. So those who are in the credit side, so कि त 2 लेख्नु पर्यो कि त 4 लेख्नु पर्यो. Okay, so sorry, the 2 मात्र लेख्दा हुन्छ. So 2 comma. Okay, otherwise यो comma नलेख्नु ल. So 2 little bit of space. So 2 cash account. Okay, so how much does the eraser cost? What is the cost of eraser? Okay, so wait a minute. So it has become so dark. Okay, so this one I have written this side. Okay, so that you can that will be visible for you all. Okay, so after that, so David. Okay, so how much you have bought? What about the price of eraser? The price of eraser is how much? 50 rupees. Okay, 50 rupees. So that means how much you have paid for the eraser. So that you write down in the debit side. Okay, so cash चाहिँ कति गयो? 50 rupees गयो. Okay, eraser को कति 50 rupees गयो भयो. Cash कति तिरो? 50 rupees. So you need to write down 50 both the side. Okay, so माथि पनि 50 तल पनि 50 लेख्छ. So in this way you try down. So that is the debit. What is coming in? 50 रुपैयाँको सामान आयो. के गयो त? क्याश गयो. पैसा चाहिँ गयो. Okay, so what is coming in? Eraser. How much? So what price of eraser is coming? So 50 rupees को eraser आउँदैछ. If it is coming towards you, that means eraser तिमीहरुलाई चाहिएको थियो, किन्यौ तिमीहरुले, that means eraser त आयो. Okay, eraser आउनु means it is debit. Okay, so eraser किन्दा के गयो? पैसा गयो. Okay, so if it is going out, then what is that? So that is the credit. Okay, in that way we can memorize. So what is this LF? LF, it is a laser folio. That means this is the number that you are going to provide. Suppose you after this journal entries,
there are so many other books that you are going to prepare. Okay, so journal entries पछि तिमीहरूले अरू book पनि बनाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. So okay, so suppose cash account बनाउनु पर्यो अरे. So what is the number of cash account? Okay, so cash account को number कति हो? Okay, so bank account को number कति हो? Suppose cash account को number, suppose if you are mentioning over here cash account, so cash account को number 50 छ अरे. भने यता के लेख्छ लेजर फोलियोमा 50, so that 50 number को book पल्टाता भनेर 50 number मा book पल्टाउँछ अनि you will get the record of this one. Okay. Just to make us easier. Okay, so लेजर फोलियो भनेको एउटा पेज नम्बर जस्तै हो, पेज जस्तै हो. So book number हो, so which will help you to easily find out the given documents. है, so document छिटो पत्ता लगाउँछ हैन, लेजर फोलियो दिएको हुन्छ. लेजर फोलियो in your chapter, so that is not so important. So just you will make all this 5 columns, but in the laser folio in class set you are not going to write on anything. Okay, just date you are going to mention, you are going to write on in this way. David you will write, you will write up, and credit you will write up. Okay, so in that way you will do it. So now what is your work? So you will do like this. Okay, so this is your question, first question. Make the format of journal entries. Okay, so this is your question. So make the format of journal entries and you'll make this format. No need to write on 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, don't write this number, just make the format. Make a rectangular space, make the lining and all. So write on the particular, okay, so date particular LF debit rupees, credit rupees. Okay, in that way you write down. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so don't write this eraser and all, just make the column only. So make the format, this is called the format. Okay, others we can call it the table of journal entries. Okay, so this much. You can pause the video and I will go for the next slide then. Okay, so this is the question. Baishak 1. Okay, so Baishak 1 means, okay, you will write on Baishak 1 ko entries over here. So journalize the following transaction in the book of Karan. Okay, so Karan ko book ma lekhnu parne cha hare. Now Karan, what he has done, he has started the business. Okay, business start garnu bhaneko capital ho. Okay, so to start the business, that is called capital. So when you are going to start a new business, okay, so you are going to install something like computer, you are going to install, install the tables, you are going to install the electric bulbs or the fan or something like that. So this all the installation which are done during the beginning. Okay, so during the establishment तिमीहरुको job को लागि तिमीहरुको office को लागि केही कुरा थप्दैछौ, okay, भने that is called capital. Correct, so we call it capital. So Karan started business with cash of rupees 55,000. Okay, so he is starting the business, that means what is coming in? Yeah, I'm saying Karan started the business with, okay, so while we need to memorize one thing, journal bhanda feri, okay, so we need to think that this is our company. Journal कसले बनाउँछ? घरको मान्छेले होइन, अफिस वालाले. That means you are the office wala. Okay, you are the Karan and Enterprises को company मा काम गर्छहरु तिमीहरु. You are working in Karan company. Okay, now you are the accountant of Karan company. So Karan started business. Okay, he is going to start the business. That's the capital. Okay, with cash of rupees 55,000. So के गर्यो त? 55,000 के गर्यो? उसले ल्यायो. Okay, so he has bought how much rupees? 55,000 rupees he has bought in his business. That means what is coming in? Cash is coming in. In like the के भन्छ? Debit. Okay, so cash account dr. Okay, so whenever there is a starting of business, then what we call it? We call it capital. Okay, so to capital account. Okay, so to capital account. Now, how much amount he has started? 55,000. So write down 55 in the DR side also. Okay, just below to capital. Capital kati rupees? 55,000 ko capital. Okay, so the amounts must be same. Amount is same हुनु पर्यो है. Okay, so what in written in the bracket? So के गर्यो त current started business for rupees business with cash. Started business with cash भनेर लेख्दिने. Being business started with cash. Okay, so what short description is needed. Otherwise you can add on being current started business with cash. You can add on in that way also. एउटा सर्ट फर्ममा एउटा डिस्क्रिप्सन लेख्नु पर्यो. Okay, suppose Deepsika. Okay, so Deepsika, she has bought eraser. So what you are going to write down? So Deepsika purchased the eraser. Okay, otherwise you can add on being eraser purchased by Deepsika. Okay, in that way you can write down. So starting it must be being, BING, being. Otherwise you can add an FOR, for also. So being business started. Okay, with what? With cash or check? With cash. Okay, so cash chala. Okay, number 2 हेर्ने त Baishak 7. Baishak 7. So current deposited cash. Okay, again he is depositing cash. Okay, of rupees 45,000 in the bank. Okay, so if he is going to deposit some amount in the bank, then what is that? Okay, so that is the bank account. Okay, so that is the bank account. अनि bank account बाट चाहिँ के गरेछ त? Bank बाट झिकेको छ रे पैसा. So as his additional capital, that means again the capital he is going to deposit. So के गर्यो त? पैसा झिक्यो. कहाँबाट झिक्यो? Okay, he has deposited the cash of rupees 45,000 in the bank. That means so bank ma 45,000. Okay, so आयो तिमीहरुको. So what is coming in? 45,000 is coming in. Okay, so in means what? Debit. So के आयो? Bank मा पैसा आयो. Okay, so DR must be bank account. Okay, so bank account DR. Two. So for what he has bought that money? The bank मा पैसा किन हालेको छ त? For the additional capital. That means के लेख्नु पर्यो? Additional capital लेख्ने हो है. So capital only. Just write down capital only. So down write down to capital account. So to capital account. Okay, so how much he has deposited in the bank? 45,000. Okay, so 45,000, 45,000. So what will write down in the description? Being cash deposited in the bank. Being cash deposited in the bank as is additional capital. Okay, you can write down like this. So being cash deposited in the bank as additional capital. Okay, otherwise being current deposited cash in the bank as his additional capital. No need to mention how much amount he has done it. Otherwise, you can write on all this one also, no problem. Okay, so 25th, let us do of 25th also. Withdraw भनेको के हो? Withdraw भनेको, suppose you are the owner of your company. You are the malik of your company. Okay, so if you are the owner of Chaudhary Group, okay, तिम्रो विनोद चौधरीहरु तिम्रो खासमा. Okay, now if you are the malik of the company, owner of the company, that means can you take out the money from your organization or not? तिम्रो company बाट पैसा निकाल्न पाइन्छ कि पाउँदैन त? So पाइन्छ, because that is your company. Right? That means you can take out the money from your own company. So if we can take out the money from your company, then what we call it? We call it drawing. What do you call it? Drawing. DRAWING. Drawing भनेको त सर आर्टको बनाउनु त हैन होइन. In accounting, drawing means so to take out your own money. Okay, so take out your own money from your business. तिमीहरुको बिजनेस कहाँ काम गर्दैछौ नि, हो त्यो काम गर्ने ठाउँबाट चाहिँ पैसा झिक्छौ भने that is called drawing. So current withdraw cash of 2,000 from the business for his personal use. That means आफूको लागि. Okay, so for his personal use he has withdrawn 2,000 rupees. So how will write down? Okay, so cash के भयो त? कम्पनीबाट क्याश आयो कि गयो त? Okay, you are the company, current company हो यो, current को एउटा बिजनेस हो. Hmm. So is the current over here. So withdraw भने के अरे डिपोजिट गर्नु कि पैसा निकाल्नु. Okay, so from organization the money is coming or money is going to go out. So money त निस्किन आँटेको छ पैसा त है, because he is going to withdraw the money. Withdraw भनेको पैसा निकाल्नु. So the money is going to go out of the organization. Okay, so बाहिर निस्किन आँटेको छ कम्पनीबाट. So 5 lakhs को छ अरे अर्गनाइजेसन भने 1 lakh निकाल्यो भने 4 lakhs मात्रै भयो. So the money is going to go out. Okay, so if the money is going to go out, that means cash is going to go out. Okay, so cash बाहिर जाँदैछ. Right? So cash is what? Cash is credit. Okay, so cash is credit. That means drawing चाहिँ के हो त? Drawing is the debit. Okay, so drawing account is going to be DR. Okay, drawing बढ्यो. Drawing भनेको पर्सनल युजको लागि चाहिँ पैसा आयो. Okay, तर कम्पनीबाट चाहिँ के भयो त पैसा गयो. So if I am the owner, if I am taking out the money, that means I am getting the money. Okay, so that is the DR for me. तर कम्पनीको लागि के भइरहेछ त? It is coming out of the company. पैसा त बाहिर निस्किँदैछ. Out हुनु भने के हो? Out हुनु means it is the credit. Okay, so cash चाहिँ के भन्दैछ? Credit हुँदैछ. So current withdraw cash of 2000 from the business for his personal use means, so you need to write down drawing account DR to cash account. Okay, so drawing माथि हुन्छ, cash तल हुन्छ. So how much he has withdrawn? 2000 rupees. So 2000 यहाँ पनि 2000 लेख्ने. So being cash withdrawn cash भन्दा अलिक सही हैन. So being cash withdrawn from business for his personal use, we can write down like this: being cash withdrawn from the business for his personal use. Is it? Okay. So let me do the next number. Okay, so tell me, try this number. So this is computer one. So what you write down in the date? On the date, so you write down 26th Baisakh. Okay, so date ma 26th Baisakh, or Baisakh 26th लेख्ने. Okay, so instead of Baisakh 1, you can write down first Baisakh also. No problem. Okay, तर त्यहाँ 1 Baisakh हैन, first Baisakh लेख्नु पर्यो. So if you write on the back side, just Baisakh 1 लेख्दा हुन्छ. Baisakh first लेख्नु पर्दैन. Okay, so Baisakh 7, Baisakh 25, you can write down. Okay, 26. Okay, so Karan bought a computer into the business. Business ma केही कुरा आउँदैछ. Okay, so what is that? That is the capital. Okay, so when something is coming in the business, तिमीले business को लागि केही कुरा थप्दैछौ भने, what is that? That is the capital. What we call it? Capital. Okay, so so Karan bought a computer into business of rupees 40,000. So what is coming into the business? Business में के आउँदैछ? Computer आउँदैछ. So in computer is coming in. That means computer is debit. Okay, so computer is debit, and what is credit? Capital is credit. Okay, so capital is going to be credit over here. So कुनै लगानी गर्छौ भने that is the credit. So capital is going to be credit in this side. Okay. Okay, so so 40,000 rupees computer is coming inside the business. Okay, let us check whether it is okay or not. Okay, so computer, motorbike. So these all are what? They are the office equipments. Okay, so suppose bike को कुरा गर्दैछौ भने पनि, so bike is also the office equipments. Bike is also the office equipments. Okay, so bike office equipment. Otherwise, you are buying the thermos for the business. So thermos is also the office equipment. So so office ko लागि के सामान किन्दैछ भने that is the office instruments. Okay, so computer लेख्ने हैन, office instrument भनेर लेख्ने. Okay, so next one, so office instrument, that means computer is coming in. That means के आयो? Computer. Office instrument equipment is coming. Okay, so that is DR, and so that is for the business. So we need to write down capital. Okay, to capital 40,000. So you need to write down the description: being computer bought into the business. Okay, being computer bought into the business as additional capital. एज एडिसनल क्यापिटल लेखिराख्नु पर्दैन. Okay, so 28, Baisakh 28. So current withdraw cash of 3,000. Okay, withdraw means what again? Tell me. Ai bhakkar gareko. Withdraw means drawing. Paisa nikalnu. That is the drawing. Okay, so paisa nikaldesa. So how much? 3,000 rupees he is going to take out from the business. So from bank, okay, so he's not going to take out the money cash directly. So he's going to take out from the bank. That means cash account of the bank account. So if cash is mentioned, paisa झिक्यो है भन्यो तर कहाँबाट ब्याङ्कमा भनेछ भने so you need to mention over there cash account होइन के लेख्ने what you write down you need to write down as bank account. Okay, check को use भएको छ check केमा use हुन्छ त cash check is not the cash check is the bank instrument that they go. Okay, so if you give the check to the bank, then what they will give? They will give lollipop. No. Okay, so they will give you the cash. Okay, so that's why. So cash check ko kura acha, otherwise bank ko kura acha भने you need to write down bank account. Okay, so current withdraw cash of rupees 3,000 from bank for his personal use. That is what is that? That is a drawing account. Okay, so drawing हो त्यो भनेको त पैसा त झिक्यो. So drawing account. So माथि के लेख्ने त drawing account DR. So from where he is going to take out? From the bank he is going to take out. That means पैसा के भयो त पैसा गयो है बैंकबाट पैसा गयो निस्क्यो. So if the money is coming out, then what do we call it? We call it to bank account. Okay, so how much he has withdrawn? 3,000. So being cash withdrawn from the bank for personal use. Personal use भनेको drawing भएछ है. So drawing भएको रहेछ. Okay, current withdraw goods. Okay, suppose you are the चौचो company को मालिक ABCDF वाला चौचो वाला को मालिकहरु तिमीहरु. Okay, now what you have done? You have withdrawn. That means तिमीहरुले क्याश हैन तिमीहरुले चाहिँ सामान नै झिकायो अरे तिमीहरुले. Okay, that means 5 cartons of chaucho you have taken out from your business. So what do you call it? So that is also the drawing, but not in the form of cash, in the form of materials. Okay, so तिमीहरुले सामान तिमीहरुले आफै झिकाएको छौ. पैसा तिर्नुपर्छ त्यसको? पैसा तिर्नु पर्दैन किन you are the owner of your own business, but you must write on the record. Okay, so त्यो आफ्नै use को लागि गर्छ भने what is that called? That is called drawing account. Okay, so how will you write down? Look at here. Okay, so drawing always must be written at the up top. Okay, so drawing account .dr. तर के को लागि drawing भयो त के को लागि चाहिँ so you are withdrawing. So you are withdrawing the cash or what? You are withdrawing के? Okay, के निकाल्यो तिमीले? पैसा हैन, goods निकाल्यो. Goods भनेको सामान. Okay, chaucho, it may be chaucho, otherwise it may be the bed, it may be the okay, so suppose kurkure, if you are the malik of kurkure, then kurkure you have taken out. Okay, so तिमीहरुको बच्चा छ अरे बच्चाले के गर्छ त ललिपप को दोकान छ भने तिमीहरुको ललिपप त टुइ दिन्छ ओके नि त. Okay, so in the same way that they are the withdraw account. Okay, withdrawn account, that means drawing account of the line. So drawing account must be written at the top. Drawing account DR to. So के निकाल्यो त पैसा हैन, गुड्स निकाल्यो. That means it is the purchase. लियो नि त, मैले लिन्दैछु means purchase. मैले बेच्दैछु, मैले दिन्दैछु means that is the sales account. Okay, so withdraw means मैले पैसा मैले गुड्स लेको means what? Purchase or selling. I am selling that goods or I am purchasing that goods. मैले लेको कि बेचेको. Okay, so I am the malik. That means I am taking it. So taking भनेको purchase गर्नु. Okay, so that's why we need what we need to write down. We need to write down to purchase account. Sorry, to purchase account. Okay, so how much amount is there? So there is 4,000. Okay,